Welcome back. Now in this video we'll talk briefly about installing WordPress to your domain. And typically when you've set up your domain and hosting, you will have a control panel. Now, you're looking at the traditional version of the control panel, or cPanel for short. In some cases your control panel may have an application like Fantastico. In other cases there may be a specific WordPress manager or WordPress application. Regardless, you're going to go inside of that application in your control panel. And in this case, we're going to build a new site by going to this button that says New Site. Now, when you use the application in your control panel, the idea is for you to click one button and for you to be able to have the site installed automatically. And that's what we're going to do. Now, in this case, we're going to click this Advanced Configuration so that we can install WordPress inside of a subdirectory. When you're installing WordPress, you'll be asked to create an admin user, and this is what you're going to be using in order to log in to your WordPress installation as an admin. Then you'll need to create an admin password. You're also going to need to have an email address that WordPress is going to forward all important notifications about your WordPress installation. Now, optionally, you can go ahead and give your blog a title. Now, you will be able to go back and change it later. You can give your blog a description that will actually appear inside of your WordPress website when you create it. Alternately, you can leave both of these blank in order to get started. So what we're going to do now is we're then going to click the Install button. Once you've done that, you'll be able to come to your site. You'll be able to come to this login link. You'll then be able to put in your login and password. You'll then be inside of your WordPress website for the first time. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.